take a boat trip today, so I went to Boca de Tomatlan. I'd already been to Las Animas, Quemixto, and Yalapa, so a couple was getting on a boat and I decided to join them. I ended up going to Colomitos, the smallest beach in Mexico. The couple whose boat I got on said that the snorkeling is really good here, so I might try that next time. Make sure to get a reservation at Ocean Grove Vallarta before coming for amazing seafood. I was told you could hike here as well, but it's quite a hike, and the boat only costs a few US dollars. There's a restaurant on the cliff and a food stand. I hope you enjoyed my beach trip. Please like and subscribe.